What's up everyone? In today's video, I want to introduce you to something that I think is very cool. Let's go. What's up everyone? So today's video is not going to be a standard tutorial. I'm not going to be giving advice or anything like that, but I do think this is pretty cool and I really wanted to share it with you guys. So I recently had the opportunity to collaborate with a very talented designer. His name is Tim Min. He's based out of Germany. You know, we've been on some of the same projects together, and I think, you know, we've both been fans of each other's work for a while now. So Tim's style is very like futuristic, it's very bright, it's very bold. It's different than mine, so it felt like a very cool move to collaborate with him and sort of bring something else to the table. I've never collaborated with another designer on anything, you know, as far as like the presets go or any of the tools on FULLERMOE.com. So this is a brand new thing. Hopefully you guys will appreciate it. And without further ado, I'd just like to show you guys some of Tim's work so you can check it out for yourself. So this is Tim's Instagram. He is at Tim9Min. You know, he does a lot of, really like bold, colorful graphics. He does a lot of like oversized stuff, which I fucking love. You know, his layouts are always very interesting. His use of color is super on point. I feel like Tim is very good at exploring like different methods of design. Like he incorporates a lot of 4D rendering into his designs, and you know, that's something that has become more and more popular over the years, but like I feel like he was really one of the first people that I saw, at least working in the music industry, who was like actively incorporating this style into his designs. So I picked out a couple designs that I thought you guys might dig. This is one that he did for Gucci Mane. This was approved, available on his website. And again, like I was saying, real colorful graphics, very bold, always very solid use of color. Here's another one. We actually worked on this same project together. We both got, I think, a few approvals. This is for Cardi B. So looking at the text on this and, you know, some of the other examples that I showed you guys, it's no surprise that we did collab on a text style pack. So let's check that out. We're over on FULLERMOE.com. You can just go up to the menu. You can go to all products, bundles, whatever. Let's go to presets. So here it is. This is the Future Chrome textile pack. This is the collab between me and Tim Min. The year's 3020, and I've collaborated with designer Tim Min at Tim9Min on a futuristic textile pack. This thing is full of brightly colored chrome, glowing neon light, and electrifying gradients, which, I mean, look at this shit. Is that description not accurate? With a total of 17 different styles and variations, this textile pack is perfect for your next futuristic or sci-fi design project. And be sure to check out Tim's amazing work, of course. Yeah, I mean, without further ado, I would just like to show you guys kind of how this works. So what I have here is, I have the mega bundle downloaded. I've gotten so many DMs that are like, hey, what's in the everything pack? Like, is it everything from the site? And up until now, the answer has been no, because the everything bundle came out, the everything bundle volume 1 came out. After that, I released a few other things, so those things naturally were not included in that first bundle. So in the last few days, I've finally gotten to a point where I had enough new presets and tools that I was able to not only build an everything bundle volume 2 that's available, but now there's also this mega bundle, which is literally everything from the site. All of the mockups, all the textile packs, all the textures, the selective color presets, literally everything. So I'm just gonna show you guys how this works. If you were to download, you know, the everything bundle or the mega bundle, they're very large files, so you'll get a PDF that has a link on it. So I have the mega bundle downloading right now. I'll show you guys in a second how to open it up and install some of these files. All right, so we've got a few seconds left on this download. It didn't take more than a few minutes. It is a larger file, so if you have a connection that maybe isn't necessarily the fastest, you just might want to give it some time and be patient. All right, so we've got our zip folder here on the desktop.
go ahead and pop that open. You know, if you're on a Mac, you can just use this archive utility. I think on a PC, I think it's still WinRAR or WinZip, one of those programs. Sorry, I'm not a PC guy, but I'm sure it's fairly simple to open zip files. All right, so here's the folder. As you can see, it has everything from the site. We've got our textures, we've got all of our textile packs, we've got our mock-ups, our selective color, all that good stuff. So first of all, I'm going to show you guys in Photoshop that there's currently no textiles installed. So if you want to use these textile packs, you've got your plain text, you know, typed out, double click that layer that your text is on, and then you'll see styles in this window that pops up, right? So there's currently nothing loaded. So I'll show you guys how easy it is to get these in here. Let's go to our Future Chrome textile pack. You'll also see there are some installation instructions in here. So this will also give you guys a hand if you're not sure how to do this. But yeah, check this out. It's as easy as just grabbing the ASL file, dragging to Photoshop, let go, that's it. There's not going to be a prompt that says your file has been installed or anything like that. So you just go back in, double click your text layer, go up to styles, and boom. Here's the folder with all of our Future Chrome presets in it. So there are a total of 17 different presets in this particular pack. The first 10 are best used for like bolder fonts. So we're going to try those out on this future text up top here. So let's just go through these. First option, awesome, very colorful, nice pink glow. The second is sort of a variation, but it has more of a bevel and more of a chrome look to it. So hence the Future Chrome, you know, part of the naming of this pack. Keep cruising. Again, great use of color, nice chrome look to it. Tim is definitely someone that I admire for his use of color and how he uses different colors together. It's just always very cohesive and always looks good. Again, same thing here, you get a nice chrome satin finish, and then another option that doesn't have as much of a satin and chrome on it. I love this option. This would be very good for like anything sort of like, I don't know, like tropical influenced. Honestly, I could see this working great for an artist like Cardi B as well. Let's keep cruising. Really like this one. Nice, like sort of slimy looking, you know, green color with a nice inner shadow contrasting with the purple. Love that. Really love this one. Again, very good use of the gradients with the blue into the black, into the you know, like fiery red orange with the sort of like inferno-esque type of like drop shadow. Really love that. Same thing here with the more of a chrome look to it. Love this next option. It's honestly, when I saw this one, I was like, man, this would actually work as text for literally a design for Future. Like, I don't know, that just kind of screamed Future to me. So this is the last option. This is option number 10 here. This is maybe my favorite out of all of the first 10 options. Really amazing use of color again. His like gradients are super on point, and they're not like, the way he uses the inner glow with the gradients creates like a really amazing effect. And again, I'm just like super stoked that we got to collab on this. So let's just stick with this as our main style for this future text, right? Now, moving on to the last 7 presets in this textile pack, you're gonna wanna use these for thinner text, right? So here we have the word chrome. It's a much thinner font than Future, so I'm gonna show you guys how these work. So let's just work our way up from the bottom. First option, love this. Nice green glow on it, again with the chrome finish. Moving on, I love how the bright green color is sort of popping out of these different areas. It sort of reminds me of like the Brock Hampton artwork, where it's like the heat sensitive like kind of imagery. Moving on, love this option. The other cool thing about this that I was very impressed with when Tim sent over these options, almost all of them work well together. So you can go through and pick almost like any combination of these presets and they will work together like seamlessly. It's pretty amazing. So love this option, very bright again. Another great option with the blue and the red outer glow. Love that. Again, with the satin finish, Tim is the man when it comes to that. Love how that one looks. And then these last two, again, more of this sort of like, I don't know what you'd call it, like infrared, like heat sensitive sort of vibe. Yeah, man, these are all just really great options. So yeah, I wanted you guys to check those out firsthand. I definitely plan on doing more of this in the future, especially when I collab with other designers, which I will definitely be doing more of. So, you know, hopefully you guys appreciate me kind of going through this, showing you guys how all of these work. The Future Chrome textile pack is available all on its own, so you can just pick that up, or you can pick it up with the Everything Bundle Volume 2, and then of course it's in the Mega Bundle, which I showed you guys, and that has everything from the site. So that is it for today. Hope to see you guys on the site, and I'll see you regardless in the next video. Peace.